This year's theme is Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum, iconography of Lord Krishna. Krishna is one of the Dasavataras, and this is depicted on the first step, the topmost step. He is the omnipresent, infinite God, and this is represented in the form of the Vishwarup. You can see Arjuna sitting at the feet of Lord Krishna, mesmerized at the look of Krishna as the Vishwarupa. Krishna is known by different names. An attempt has made to depict him in his various names. So in the second step you find Radha Krishna, Bala Krishna, Makhan Chor or Venadonga Krishna. He is known as Parthasarathi, being the charioteer to Arjuna in the Mahabharata war, and Murali Krishna or Nanda Gopal. Down below you have Kalinganartana Krishna, Gopika Krishna, Vasudeva Krishna. Krishna is worshipped in various forms also. Vithoba Krishna at Pandharpur, Jagannath at Puri, along with his brother Balrama and sister Subhadra. And then you have him being worshipped as Guruvayurappan, Krishna in Guruvayur. The theme also depicts the various bhakts of Krishna. So you have Mirabai in the center step, you have Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and you have Andal on the step, the top. This is the chariot of Jagannatha during the Jagannath Yatratya, and you can see him, and you can see the ISKCON devotees also praying songs in praise of Lord Krishna. So this is the view of this theme. The total view. Adjacent, the middle part of this year's Bommal Kolu is dedicated to Tirupati Brahmotsava. Tirupati Brahmotsavams are held during Dashera Navratri, and so you have one of the processions depicted in the central step. We have Venkateshwara Swami and Alivelu Manga at the backdrop. The third part is dedicated to the traditional Bommal Kolu. In the first step, we have the Ashtalakshmi. In the second, we have Durga, Vishnumurti along with Lakshmi, Lakshmi Narayana, and this is the Ram Parivar, Rama, Lakshmana, Sita, along with Hanuman. This is a slice of human life, the Seemantam of a girl, done in the 7th month or 9th month of pregnancy. The ceremony is done to bless the girl to have a healthy progeny. You have the traditional Chettiar couple also on this step. You can also see the stages in the life of an infant in the first 6 months. I have put this to gel with the Seemantam set. So you can see the child trying to catch hold of his legs, trying to suckle his toes, and then trying to sit without any support. I hope you have enjoyed this Bommal Kolu. We'll try to get back next year with a better concept and theme. Thanking you for watching.